Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Miss Pink's MC here with another video for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I replaced the levers on my front Mini Cooper seats. The seats come from Facebook Marketplace, and the original seller informed me that the passenger seat lever was broken. Here's the original lever, and as you can see from this point, there are 3 pieces in this lever: the spring, the main plate, and the middle. Here's the diagram if anybody needed it. Remove the cover from the lever and you'll find the screw. Once you remove the screw, you can replace the lever. In the middle of this project, I had found a socket with a bolt stuck to it. So I used the old trick, pulled out a rag, stuck them in there, and slammed it against the floor until it came undone, which it did. So if anybody needs that trick, here you go. Now that I have both of the levers in, the function works. So, success. Moving on to the rails of these seats, I had found not only were the levers broken, but so were the silicone type zip ties. You'll find one on each side of these rails, and they're connected to the height adjustment lever. So what I'm going to use instead of replacing this, because I couldn't find anything anywhere, I'm going to use regular zip ties. The good thing about this is that there's enough space to add another zip tie, and this will be a temporary fix until I can find something more permanent. I lost a lot of footage due to my phone not having enough storage, so I'm sorry. You're going to have to see me install instead of remove. The first step to remove these seats is to remove the cables. So remove each cable from the seat so that you can remove the screws on the rails of the seat. To me, these seats are done. I'm going to put them into my Mini. The rails on these seats have 4 screws. Alright, that sums it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the misses. I'm enjoying my new seats. I love them. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and as always, have a good one. Bye!